Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can use the ranking formula in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, there are some students total marks. So we are gonna rank these students total marks by their number. So for that you have to write here equal, then rank, then first bracket, then close the first bracket. Okay, inside the bracket you have to give the cell number, which is U2 for me, then use a comma, then again U2, then is2, then you have to give the last cell number, okay, which is U11 for me. Okay, so now you have to do is give a dollar sign here, then give a dollar sign here as well, then you have to give a dollar sign here as well, and then give a dollar sign here as well. Okay, so this is the formula of ranking. So if you press enter now, as you can see, it is ranking second. So for the other one you have to click on here, then okay, as you can see, the ranking, the number one ranking is 454, which is highest, then 445 second, then 423 is third, then fourth is 422, then fifth is 394, sixth is 375, 7 3 6 4 8 3 5 9 9 3 5 0, and 10 3 2 6. So this is how you can use the rank formula in Microsoft Excel. So thank you guys, thanks for